Backup and archive Gmail emails to Amazon S3. Start by selecting the emails that you'd like to save to Amazon S3, or select them all. After clicking the S3 icon, we can choose how we want to save our emails. Saving each conversation to a separate PDF file, merging all conversations into one PDF file, saving only attachments, setting up a continuous backup to Amazon S3, or setting up a continuous backup to Amazon S3 for your team. I'll demonstrate how to save your emails as one PDF. Choose your Amazon S3 folder. Your save was a success. Your emails are now saved to your Amazon S3 folder as a PDF. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.